Well, hello there. How are you all doing? Well, after that last video with that humongous coin that took me forever, I thought I'd have an easier one today. I'm going to do an old UK penny. These are quite nice when they're polished up. So, how are you all doing? Gary, Sarah, Bear, the two Ians, Alan, Paul from Australia, Steve, Claire, Joseph, and a new guy that's on the list. He's left me loads of comments. He's from Japan. And his name is Homo, something like that. I've probably got it wrong, but you know who you are, fella. Thanks for your comments, man. You're a star player. Hope you're having a great day in Japan. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. I treated Big Bertha today to some new oil. She was getting a bit low, so it didn't want to know the other day, so I bought some new oil today. Let's see how she performs for us. That means she'll be leaking even more now, I suppose. Right. I didn't need to smack it on the bottom. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you are subscribed, there's a little button bottom right hand corner of the video about there somewhere. Have you hit that? No, hit that. Come on. Come on, hit it. Hit it. You're automatically subscribed, and you'll be you hit the bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. It's no obligation. It's free. I don't get any money out of it. It just helps my channel. I need the love. Right. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. You can send me your own coins, which some people do. I made wedding bands for people out of coins. This is Christy Burr Mighty Brewing Tool. You just want to make sure it's nice and clean, free from any cracks or splits or stuff like that. So now, I think I'll show a bit of affection with Bernie. By the way, Bear, there's a little something in the post coming for you. You know what for. Right, let's dry it off. I love these bronzy coins, they're really nice. They polish up beautifully. So, what we're going to do, we're going to go for this side, sunny side up on the ring. Look at the tone on that, that's crazy, eh? So this is going to go face down in my little doming block. And we shall give it a bit of a squeeze. Got a big red. And we'll just do the business on it. Right. That's nice. That's called the first fold. So now we want one of these little gadgets, 17-degree folding die. Look after your tools, now look after you. Right, we put a little bit of the old jollop in there. I'll use a bit of coconut oil, it just helps things move around. Okie dokie. Go back over to Big Red again. And we'll just give it a little bit of a squeeze. go. Yeah, I was a bit sick with that penny that you sent me in. It's a lovely coin. But it didn't want to know, it just split. And I was so careful with it. I loved it and, you know, took it nice and easy. I just want to clean up that edge. I mean, it's pretty clean now, you can see. But that bit, my girlfriend speeds it up. It looks like I'm going crazy. Right. A bit of the old kitchen roll. And we'll go over to Spike. There he is. Looking good, as usual. This isn't for anybody in particular. My little gadget here, Spike, he stretches the ring. And you give it a turn each time. And it stretches the ring equally all the way around. Because we don't want a lopsided ring, do we? Right, that seems to be getting really soft. Is it breaking? Nope, it's looking quite good. You're just looking to get that bow out of it. See that bow? You want that out. Get it out. This is very soft. It's like it's breaking. But it's not. You're looking for this top part of the coin to touch the side walls of the stretcher. I do like these penny coin rings. They really polish up lovely. If it doesn't split on me. See, it's still got a bit of a bow in it. I think I'll give it a bit more love with Bernie. Just a little bit. Not a lot. That should be sufficient for what we need. Let's go mad, Sharon. Use another bit of kitchen roll. Right. Come back. Yeah, I thought that big coin I tried in the last video, I think that's the longest video I've done, I think. It nearly broke Spike. It didn't like it at all. There you go. So, what we're going to do now. Oh, I was lucky. I thought I could see. That might have just been that colouring. Right, now we need to go over. Nope. We need to change it for Big Daddy. Just looking. There's a little bit protruding there. We'll just go down to the bottom end of the Spike. These are reduction dies. Make sure it's square. It's hip to be square. Yep, that's good. You don't have to go crazy though. It's still a bit cone shaped. We go into this one. There you go. Walls are nice and straight. I'm just looking at it with my BDI. Something didn't look quite right. And that's okay. I thought, no, not more performances today. We had enough performance the other day. Right, I just want to get that lip. There's a small lip in there that goes all the way around. You get that out. I don't mind now that stain. I just can't get it out. If I get the comments, oh, your fingers are terrible. Well, number one, it's called working for a living. I've used my hands all my life, my job, electrical engineer. And, you know. That's good. Right. Where is he? Here he is. Dave the Dremel. We'll take out Felton John. We're whacking Kate Bush. Give it some volume. This just gets the fire scale up the coin. Right, let's put in Felton John, and we'll whack in a bit of polish. Oh, I didn't put the lid on it again. There's nothing new there, is there? Right. He's come up really good. I do clear coat all my rings as well, so. Right, what do we got? Clean off the old mingers, I suppose. And give it a wipe round. Yeah, hot. Right. A slightly cleaner cloth. Well, a very cleaner cloth. Oh, look at that. Isn't that sexy? Looks like gold. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. It don't. It does. I say it does. Well, a slightly shorter video than the last one. And it came out terrible. Right. What we got? My girlfriend polish these up as well, because my hands are still covered in oil. There you go. You got all the text on there, that's why I use the kitchen roll. There she is, good old Lizzie. So what size did we get in the end? You always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but it's the thickest part of the coin. And this is a size 13. That should fit me just about, yeah. My hairy fingers. Okay, it fits this finger perfectly. Thank you all for your support. Thanks for my late subscribers. And hit the like button for me, would you? Please. Show me some love. And God willing, I will see you all on the next video. You all have a great day. Behave yourselves. And keep smiling. So bye-bye.